Are you tired of the same old workshop struggles? Whether you're a DIY beginner or a professional woodworker, your projects are only as good as your gear. Today, we're counting down 20 genius woodworking tools you haven't tried yet, including game-changing Amazon woodworking gadgets and precision workshop essentials that will save you hours of sanding and measuring. From next-gen cordless power tools to clever carpentry hacks you didn't know existed, these are the top woodworking tools of 2026 that every shop needs. Stick around, because tool number 5 is a total game changer for perfect joinery. Let's dive in. Tired of piles of branches and messy yard cleanup? The Seyvum wood chipper is a powerful 15-amp, 1.8-inch cutting diameter electric wood chipper and shredder with a 45-liter collection bag and push stick that turns garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch. Its 2,800-watt motor and dual-sided SK5. High-hardness blades shred branches, twigs and leaves effortlessly, while the 21:1 reduction ratio maximizes efficiency. Lightweight and portable at 22.8 pounds with 7-inch wheels, it's easy to move around your yard. The large collection bag and push stick make cleanup safe and simple, transforming yard waste into productive, eco-friendly mulch in minutes. Struggling with wood slipping while cutting? The Hedgehog fence featherboard is a hold down for table saws and router tables that keeps your workpiece secure for precise cuts. Quick adjustments are effortless thanks to its spiral shape and single knob, while the vertical fence mount ensures stable pressure on rabbits and dados. Designed for standard 1/2-inch slots with a 1/4 by 20 T-bolt, it's also router table compatible. Each 2-pack includes mini hedgehogs, a product of American innovation protected by 2 US patents. Essential for safety and accuracy, it transforms your woodworking setup into a reliable, efficient workspace. Tired of struggling with heavy logs? The Champion Power Equipment Gas Log Splitter delivers 37-ton horizontal, vertical, full beam power, making tough wood splitting effortless. Its 338 cubic centimeter single-cylinder OHV engine provides the strength needed to tackle large logs, while quick conversion from horizontal to vertical lets you handle any size with ease. With a 16-second cycle time, expanded operator area, and a reliable auto-return valve capable of over 220 cycles per hour, it's highly efficient. Portable and towable up to 45 miles per hour, it fits most ATV and UTV setups, combining power, speed, and convenience for serious log-splitting tasks. Struggling to keep materials steady while you work? The Maxpower C-Clamp. Locking pliers are locking C-clamps with regular tips designed for precision and strength. With a max jaw capacity of up to 6.5 inches and 9.8 inches jaw depth, these pliers handle a wide range of shapes and sizes. The adjustable locking mechanism with a quick-release lever reduces hand fatigue, while large swivel pads protect your workpieces. Forged from CRV steel with nickel-plated alloy, they resist corrosion. Easy one-hand operation, an adjustable hex thumb screw, and durable construction make them essential for woodworking, welding, and general clamping tasks. Need a reliable surface for precise metalwork? The Splenor Tools Bench, Pin, and Anvil set is a jewelry-making, metal forming, workbench tool designed for durability and precision. The high-quality cast-iron anvil features a smooth, flat surface and thick chamfer edges, ideal for forming, flattening, and laying out metal. The solid cast-iron clamp secures to tables up to 2 inches thick, while the wooden bench pin, crafted from premium steam beechwood, offers stability and longevity. Smooth finishes and robust construction make this set perfect for jewelry makers and metalworkers seeking accuracy and durability. Looking for flawless, precise surfaces in your woodworking projects? The DFM Tool Cabinet Scraper. Cards are a cabinet scraper for woodworking and a card scraper tool for precision and fine finishes, ideal for cabinet scraper tasks. Made in the USA from 0.03 2-inch American blue spring steel and 50C Rockwell high carbon steel, they offer lasting sharpness and durability for tough hardwoods. Ready to sharpen and engineered for excellence, these scrapers perform best with a burnisher, ensuring smooth, accurate results. Flexible, reliable, and crafted with expert input, they're an essential tool for achieving professional quality woodworking finishes. Tired of lugging heavy saws or sacrificing precision on the job site? The Festool Cordless Carpentry Track Saw delivers versatility for cross-cutting or ripping materials to size, handling nearly every circular saw task with unmatched efficiency and accuracy. When paired with FSK guide rails, its integrated angle stops and retraction feature make repeatability effortless, letting you execute fast, precise, repeated cuts. Cordless freedom combines with mitre saw level precision, while the retractable guard and riving knife enhance safety and reduce binding. Efficient, accurate, and portable, it's the ultimate solution for professional wood processing anywhere on site. Struggling with multiple tools slowing down your woodworking? The Thorvald Carpenter Square is a 7-inch T-square multi-purpose carpenter toolset combining a wrench, square, protractor, ruler, marking gauge, drill gauge, and a 2-in-1 carpentry pencil. This all-in-one design lets you measure, trace, and mark angles quickly, saving time and effort. Made from durable 4mm thick aluminum with laser-engraved 1/16 inch graduations, it's precise and long-lasting. Compact yet versatile, it replaces a full toolbox, offering efficiency, accuracy, and convenience for woodworking, home improvement, and professional carpentry tasks. Frustrated with pencils that can't keep up with your woodworking? The Enhon Carpenter Pencil features a sharpener, a mechanical carpenter pencil with 36 refills, and heavy-duty construction for precise marking. The set includes 3 long-nosed marker pens, 3 mechanical pencils, color refills, and an engraving pen, covering all your woodworking and architectural marking needs. With a 45mm extended tip for deep or tight spaces, an ergonomic non-slip grip, and a tungsten carbide scribe, it delivers accurate, vibrant lines on wood, metal, ceramics, and more, boosting efficiency and precision. Tired of blades that dull too fast on tough materials? The Ezarc Carbide Oscillating Saw Blades are multi-tool quick-release blades for hard material, engineered to cut hardened metal, nails, bolts, and screws with ease. Featuring carbide teeth and 30 times the life standard of bimetal blades, they handle stainless steel, hardened screws, nails, fiberglass, and plasterboard effortlessly. Upgraded carbide laser welding and a slim, durable body ensure strength for heavy-duty cutting. Designed for professionals and DIYers, these must-have carbide oscillating multi-tool blades come with 2 adapters to fit most conventional oscillating tools. Looking to take your wood carving to the next level? The BeaverCraft wood carving knife is a 3.14-inch whittling sloyd knife for roughing, ideal for spoon carving tools and whittling knives for woodworking. Suitable for beginners to pro carvers. Its pointed tip handles fine details, while the rounded blade makes smooth slicing cuts. The ergonomic hardwood oak handle treated with linseed oil ensures comfort during long sessions. High carbon steel blades are sharp and durable, ready for softwoods and hardwoods alike. Made in Europe, this knife delivers precision, reliability, and a superior carving experience. Struggling to get precise angles in woodworking or construction? The Huepar Digital Angle Finder is magnetic for table saw blades, woodworking, bend pipes, etc., offering plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy inclinometer with calibration, featuring 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees modes. 4 measurement units, and absolute and relative readings. It handles everything from leveling cabinets to setting miter saws or aligning pipes. The magnetic base allows hands-free use, while the high-contrast VALCD with tilt guidance ensures easy, precise adjustments. Compact, durable, and portable, this tool delivers consistent accuracy, even in extreme temperatures, making precise angle measurement faster, safer, and more reliable. Tired of misaligned knobs and pulls on your cabinets? The True Position Tools cabinet hardware. Jig is made in the USA and is the most accurate tool. For knobs and pulls, hand-calibrated for precision. Its patent-pending True Calibration system with laser-engraved rulers ensures perfect pulled placement every time. Designed for shaker cabinets, it stabilizes recessed drawer fronts, while the adjustable, reversible template makes installation fast and stress-free. No clamps or marking needed. It also works for shelf pin holes and hinge plates. Durable, professional quality construction prevents costly mistakes, making it an essential tool for flawless cabinet hardware installation. Struggling to get smooth, precise surfaces in painting or woodworking? The Allway Soft Grip Contour Scraper Set is a versatile scraper kit with 6 blades and a blade file, designed for contour scraping on doors, windows, and moldings. Each stainless steel blade handles specific shapes, from concave and narrow reveals to large rods and round moldings, while the included blade file stored in the handle keeps edges sharp. Easy blade changes and Convenient storage case make it user-friendly. The soft grip offset handle ensures comfort during extended use, delivering professional quality scraping with precision and efficiency. Tired of slow, uneven wood shaping? The Pomsare wood carving disc set is a 5-piece all-in-one wood carving kit with 4 and 4.5-inch angle grinder attachments with 5/8-inch arbor, including flat, curved, inclined, and parallel discs crafted from premium carbon steel. Designed for cutting, shaping, and grinding wood, it fits most standard angle grinders with included reducing bushings. Perfect for carving patterns, removing bark, or renovating furniture, the durable discs provide smooth, efficient cuts while protecting your arms. A 16-page instruction manual ensures safe, precise, and professional results for both DIYers and pros. Looking for precise, professional quality cuts in your woodworking or metal projects? The Sharpro CNC router bits feature Allway 1/4-inch shank carbide ball nose upcut router bit, perfect as an end mill for wood, aluminum, and engraving. The sharp ball nose edge delivers chip-free, accurate cuts with minimal vibration, while the durable micrograin carbide construction resists heat and wear. Upcut spiral geometry ensures clean edges and reduced tear-out on wood, MDF, and aluminum. Multi-material versatility allows pocketing, rounding, and engraving across various surfaces. Precision machined with plus or minus 0.02 mm tolerance, it guarantees consistent Sports pro-level results. Want strong, precise joints for your woodworking projects? The Newdeli lock miter router bit set includes 3-piece, 45-degree, 1/2-inch shank router bits with 1/2-inch, 3/4-inch, and 1-inch cutting heights for creating lock miter joints. These bits provide self-aligning, interlocking joints with plenty of glue surfaces, ensuring 90-degree connections that are strong and reliable. Made from YG6 carbide alloy steel, heat-treated and rust-proof, they stay sharp for long-lasting performance. Ideal for cabinet doors, drawers, windows, and cupboards, this set offers convenience, versatility, and precision for professional quality woodworking. Struggling to cut precise grooves or dados in wood? The Kakuri handheld groove making tool is a 15mm Japanese hand plane Kana woodworking tool with a razor-sharp Japanese steel blade and oak body. Designed as a Japanese hand router plane, it's perfect for cutting accurate grooves for shoji doors or other woodworking projects. The pull-style design allows controlled, consistent cuts with minimal effort. Lightweight and just 7 inches long, it's easy to handle with one hand. Handcrafted in Japan, it delivers smooth, clean results and exceptional durability for professional quality woodworking. Looking to elevate your wood-turning projects with precision and ease? The Deefiine Wood Lathe turning toolkit includes a lathe, roughing, and finishing hollow tool with 8-piece round square diamond carbide inserts, featuring an 18.3-inch full-size carbide tip. The stainless steel cutter bar resists rust, while the beach handle with soft anti-slip rubber provides comfort and control, similar to a mountain bike grip. The square toolbar profile ensures smooth, stable movement on the lathe. Ideal for beginners and experienced turners, this kit makes wood turning safer, faster, and more accurate, with replaceable carbide inserts for long-term use. Struggling to keep siding straight and level on your next project? The Malco SGA adjustable siding gauge is built to save time and effort, with a 4 to 8 inch adjustment range for multiple siding heights and brands, and a 5/16 to 1/2 clamping range to handle most lap siding. Its non-marring ergonomic design protects primed materials, while lightweight, break-resistant aluminum construction allows one person to hang fiber cement or engineered wood siding quickly. Simply clamp the gauge, set your reveal, and let it guide consistent level installation from start to finish, like having a second pair of hands. That wraps up our list of the 20 best woodworking tools to upgrade your shop this year. If you're ready to boost your precision and speed, check out the links in the description for all the woodworking gear mentioned today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, woodworking projects, and workshop tips. Which of these genius tools was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building.